Money, and today we have this cutie.
Hello, hello.
What
How
is
are you
happening?
doing?
Rishabh is trying to tell us something. Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting that I'm this mic. I'm sorry, I forgot. We have this cutie here. It's so cute. I got.
Hello, 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 hello.
Okay,
How are you
so
doing?
we're talking
How
about.
lovely are you looking, Malini?
Huh?
How
Oh,
lovely
thank
are
you, sir. You. Let's just do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Forget the interview.
Forget the
Don't do the interview. You'll have some coffee.
So basically, you are in this really adorable music video for Shan.
Yeah.
So how does that happen? How does someone just come and say, "Acha, will you be in my video and be the?"
No, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like Shan picked up the phone and called me. It was T-Series that they called me. It's like, we have a very nice song that Amal Malik's composed and Shan's sung that. And you know, I'll tell you a very fun story about... Sorry, I'm here. I'll tell you a very fun story that when I was a kid, I used to love Shan's voice. I always dreamt कि यार अच्छा जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना और अगर मैं गलती से हीरो बन गया तो एक गाना तो करूंगा जो शान ने गाया होगा. And they told me Shan's doing the song and I'm like, okay, I didn't even hear the song. I'm like, I'll do it because I knew Shan was singing it and Amal was composing it. T-Series, they're synonymous with good music. So I'm like, and they told me Taapsee is doing it. Yeah. I'm like, very good, man. It looks like a good team. Then I heard the song. I'm like, oh, that's a sweet song. Yeah. And yeah, that's all how it happened. And we shot in Goa for 3 days. I can't tell you how hot it was. It was about 45-50 degrees. And our director Alia was a hard taskmaster. Yeah. She wasn't giving up. She wanted each shot how she wanted it. So it was good fun. And yeah, people have liked it, man. It's reached about 1.5 million views. So I think that's good, yeah. 1.5 million is good.
That's very good. That's good. So, but the thing is, when you get these like really emotional love-filled song, what do you channel? Like you just think about your girlfriend. You have a girlfriend.
Hi. Sorry, you asked me something. I forgot.
You have a girlfriend.
Yes, of course I have. I've been with somebody for a while. Yes.
So what do you think about her?
No,
that is the wrong answer.
Can I tell you something? In all honesty, when you're acting, you vibe off the other person a lot. So if you're in a scene with somebody and that person's at it and is in the mood, you get the mood from her. You get the energy from that person. So, and I'm a very spontaneous actor, and I don't go into that zone. If I have to be sad, I'll be sad the whole day. I'll be laughing before a shot, but as soon as you call action, then I'll try and do my acting bit. And if it works, the director's like, okay, good shot. But if it doesn't, it's like, oh, what a bad shot. Do one more. So yeah, it's a process that you discover as in when you do it.
See, I've always tried to understand this psychology because I would never date someone like an actor because if they were going to make out...
You never know if they're acting or not, nah?
No, that's not the reason. Because
I love you. Does that...
No, that's not the problem. If they made out with someone else in a movie, I would get so jealous. I would just come and kill everyone.
Not to make out with
it's my job.
Not to make out with other people, but...
That's what they all say.
Really?
Why don't you just do action films then?
If somebody offers me a good action film, I would do it, man. People think I'm this cute little romantic boy and they offer me stuff like this.
That's because you may do songs like that.
Of course.
Yeah. So did you, can you sing?
I sing like a crow. If
sing me a line of this.
Subscribers will go away, but if you
they love to hear terrible songs.
Okay. What song do you want me to
This is obviously the one you're
in. Okay, I'm slightly off tune and Shan, don't kill me if you're seeing this. So the song starts like... तुम हो तो लगता है मैं हूँ ना हो तो लगता है क्यों हूँ डिडिंग डिडिंग डिंग I made a remix version of it. तुम हो तो लगता है.
I wish I could beatbox.
Sorry, Amal. That's it. I can't say.
That's a good next one. Okay, so I have some fan questions for you, and in case you want to post some right now, you can just leave them in the comments below.
Questions here, but lots of love coming in for this song, and everyone seems to be liking it a lot.
Thank you. Keep watching the song, keep sharing the song. Make it reach some 50 million hits.
We'll make you do something. Okay, now look into my Facebook Live. Okay.
Yes.
And then act a little bit and just tell them how much you love them, like full romance. Go.
I don't have to act. I'll be very honest, man. Thank you so much for...
Not like that, yeah. Like romantic, like you're wooing a chick.
Like
say something really, really mushy.
To her? I'll say to her. Can somebody hold that camera and can we get her in?
Yeah. Oh, what do you mean? To the camera, you that. Are you not paying attention to Facebook?
Oh, okay.
This one, no?
Hi.
Like this is the girl. Have you not watched the movie Her? Like that. So this is the girl. This is the girl. Yeah.
Hi. How are you doing? You're looking very, very, very pretty today. Can I take you out somewhere? What? What? I can't hear you. You have to respond back, Priyam. You have to have a conversation with me. It looks like I'm talking to the wall. Priyam, I can't hear you. Priyam.
Saqib has not understood this game. Okay, we're gonna wait. You've not. I was trying to say romance your entire audience, like act for me. Anyway, it's fine. Just watch the song. Okay. What? Okay, Pooja wants to know what is your dream role?
My dream role is to probably do a biopic, man. I'm dying to do a biopic.
Whose?
I would like to do a Baichung Bhutia biopic, if you know who Baichung Bhutia is.
Of course, football.
The-
Not stupid.
No, of course not. He's the best footballer, Indian footballer we've ever had. Would want to do a biopic on that because I'm a sports person in life. I play a lot of sports, so I think I'd be good for that. Or I would like to do a gangster film. You know, I have this thing that I want to shoot people. I can't shoot people in real life. So
That's probably a good plan.
yeah, it's like act it out. Be a gangster sometime.
That's cool. Okay, another question from Bolly Forever. What is your all-time favorite Bollywood movie?
Bollywood film, it has to be this Shah Rukh Khan film called Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. I think it's the sweetest film. And I've said this before and I'm going to say it again, that if anybody in the world is making a remake, I'll do anything to be part of that film.
Oh, can you do the Shah Rukh thing for us?
Come here.
Okay. Okay.
Open your arms.
Okay. I have to say, I got to do this with Shah Rukh on the red carpet at Toifa, but you did a much better job.
Really?
No,
Sorry, sir. Please don't see this.
I'm sorry. Okay, next one. This is from Rishita, who says, finish the sentence. Your mom is your...
My life.
Oh, so sweet. Okay. Can you tell us something? Whose phone is ringing? Can you tell us something about the short movie that you've written? You wrote a movie.
Yeah, in fact, I'm going to be starting that short film very soon. It's a subject that's very, very close to my heart. It's a short film that's called Awwal. Awwal means number one.
Huh.
And it's an underdog story about how everybody in today's day and age only they live to win. They don't live to live. And that's the basic thought behind it. Me and a friend of mine have written it. We in fact start shooting in about a week's time. So it's very, very exciting. We're going to be shooting in Chawls of Bombay. So that's unlike the stuff I've done. So I'm kind of excited about that. Yeah.
Fun. So I love that. People live to win, not live to live. What do you live for? What's the one thing that you live for? What makes you wake up in the morning?
I just wake up to be happy, man. I don't think too much. I think I just, there was a time in my life where I would wake up and be like, oh, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to reach here, go meet that person. But now I've just calmed down a little in life and I've realized that things take their own time to happen. So you just enjoy the process. And we always think about, ki, Achha yaar, we have to achieve that in life, but the middle process, we forget. So I just want to enjoy every day, live it to the fullest, enjoy with my friends, my family. Just spread a little love. It's nice to spread love, man.
I love that. So tell us the name of the song that everyone can right now YouTube.
The song's called Tum Ho To. It's sung by Shan, composed by Amal Malik, features the beautiful Tapsi Pannu with yours truly. So do check it out. A lot of people have already liked, love, share, subscribe, do whatever you can, spread the love.
Thanks for watching. In case you missed any of this, it's going to be on YouTube and it's already on Facebook.
Ta-da!
Hey